Well, first and most importantly, let me welcome someone extremely important and someone extremely dear, for whom words are definitely less, but yet a brief description about it. From launching the wildlife bar range of chocolates for Cadbury, to launching Sona Masala brand of spices for Unilever, setting up retail banking and wealth management business for Deutsche Bank in India, to getting the bank to sell gold coins in India, creating a whole new gold buying day on Akshaya Tritiya, thereby helping boost the sales of gold and jewelry by over 1,000 times. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, from less than 3,000 kg to a level of over 14,000 kgs on a single day. Honored with the Nirya Shri Gold Award from the President of India for the contribution to the gems and jewelry sector. Please put your hands together as loud as possible, as I would now like to introduce and call forward on the dais to you Mr. Sanjeev Agarwal, former Managing Director of World Gold Council, Chairman of FICCI.
Good afternoon, friends, and welcome. Sorry for the slight delay. This is a problem that we always have when we have celebrities, not me, but the celebrities that will come later as part of the show. So they seem to have arrived now, and hence we're starting the presentation. Like creation of Akshaya Tritiya a few years back, when I was heading World Gold Council, this new concept of Luminous Uno, a combination of 4 precious metals, is another path-breaking initiative by the leading jewelers of the world. And what I will do is go through what this product is, what is it all about, why it makes sense, what are the uses and opportunities with it, and then it's for you to decide how to take it forward. You have 4 major precious metals: gold, platinum, palladium, silver. These are the 4 major precious metals globally. How precious are they? Would you like to come here?
Talking about luminous, I think I have been associated with jewelry brands for a decade now, and since I won my crown. So when today I was briefed about luminous, the brand, it was actually it's very good to know how there's so much invention happening in the field of jewelry. Luminous is actually an alternative to gold and platinum. So people who cannot, because gold and platinum prices are hiking up in the market, and people who are not able to afford it, luminous is actually an alternative for all of you. So, कहते हैं दिल्ली दूर नहीं है, अब सोना दूर नहीं है. Let's say so. Luminous is basically an alloy of gold, platinum, palladium, and silver, and it is more lustrous than silver. And also because it's more durable and moldable, so the jewelry pieces that you can actually make out of this metal you can actually make more designs out of this metal, more than you can make out of gold and silver. And I would also like to mention that it's not a fashion metal, that it doesn't have a resale value. It has a resale value just as gold does. So it's also going to get you returns in a few years. That's luminous.
Well, that is absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much, ma'am. And we would now like to request the media to ask any questions to Mr. Sanjeev or to ma'am.
मिलेगी नहीं जाती हाँ चलेगी हाँ इधर
We have
नहीं घर पे चले नहीं तो
we have the photo op and the Q&A for the Starcast later on. Also, I would once again like to tell the media, if any question and answers for Mr. Sanjeev, you all can absolutely ask it right now.
ऑडियो आउट नहीं है ऑडियो बात चलेगा ना पूछने
The Italian company's not even told us what the ratio is. That's their trade secret. 5 साल 6 साल तक तपस्या करके उन्होंने बनाया है. तो बहुत difficult रहेगा बताना. What is that? Again, a little difficult to say what the sales volume is. We're not talking about replacing gold, replacing any other metal. It is one more option available. Like I said, a new age metal available for the younger audience, which is also more affordable. We are a license holder. We as in Gitanjali is a license holder. It is again licensed by the leading jewelers of the world.
Mr. Sanjeev,
The metal at this point in time is manufactured overseas, but work is on to overseas in Italy and Thailand. But work is on to also have a similar composition done in India. Why not? If Make in India is there in every aspect of business, why not in this aspect?
So Mr. Sanjeev, as it is said that all that factors is gold, and already Ankita said that it's definitely going to overtake gold. So how much confident are you? How much time it will take to just surpass that the popularity of gold and silver?
Like I said just now, we are not replacing any metal with this. Replacing gold is just impossible.
Yeah. As we said, it's not a replacement for gold, it's an alternative. An option, more affordable for people who cannot afford gold and platinum. I think every human has a right to fulfill their desires and feel special. And when you have an alternative like this, it basically caters to the masses, which today cannot go and afford gold as the prices are hiking up, but it is not a replacement for gold for sure.
Another question, Mr. Sanjeev.
Price
Since-
If you don't know the ratio,
Yes.
so 125 per gram,
Like I said, this is the patented, this is the development of this Italian company. So it's based on the price that they would give us and the price they will give us on a daily basis. And there is also a buyback rate. So there's a bid and offer rate, right? So both, like I mentioned, the 125, 122, there's a bid rate or buying rate and a buyback rate of 122. So that is a show.
So Mr. Sanjeev, as this luminous mono is the amalgamation of four metals like gold, silver, palladium, and platinum. So when it is going to be sold by the retailers, so don't you think that there will be higher chances of like say duplicacy in the market?
Even the composition is not known to us. Okay, so it is the efforts of this Italian company. So the probability of making a duplicacy of this is going to be just impossible for some time to come.
So then who will verify whether it's a good product?
There would be certifying agency, the hallmarking centers would do a XRF. They will certify for the content of 95.5% of the metal, which is the luminous uno metal. Because like I mentioned, it has luminous uno metal plus other metal, the four precious metals plus other metals also.
You mean which kind of international certification agency would do this?
So there's no international certification agency, it will be the authorized hallmarking centers which will certify that it has 95.5% of luminous uno metal.
Who is the hallmarking center?
It could be any hallmarking center.
In India or in
Yeah, in India. Because you're getting a metal from out and then you're making them in India, right? In jewelry. When you make jewelry in gold, silver, anything, you have to add other metals to make it more malleable, to make it a little firmer, to strengthen it, etc. So this would be 95.5% of luminous uno metal.
how does it react with the color stone brands?
React with the skin or the color stone?
Yeah, how does it gel?
You saw some models wearing it with semi-precious stones and diamond. Because it's available as a white metal, the primary color of this metal is white metal. And it will be gold plated or rose gold plated also. So that's right.
So how friendly is the metal with the craftsman? Is there any other procedure for the procedure is same?
How?
Friendly is the metal with the craftsman?
Oh, it is much more easily malleable than platinum. And it is the way he works with gold and silver. So it is a metal, like I said, it has strength, it is malleable, so it can be for the craftsman, he can do intricate designs, what India loves.
It is available in the retail market also, or in the some particular stockist area? Where is available in the market? All over India?
One is the investment bargain coins, which I said will be available on the commodity websites selling other bullion commodities. On the jewelry side, there is Gitanjali, which is launching a few lines of jewelry, and there'll be license to others also to launch their range of jewelry.
Regarding this particular, you have mentioned 125 rupees per gram.
Yes.
What is the ornament? What is the minimum grams to be available in ornament? So 5 grams available. It is bar, then bar. But what about in ornament? I want to be big. I want to do it for the chain.
So when you're buying, say, a earring set, that will be about 5-7 grams, or if you're buying a chain, that will be about 15-20 grams. So depending on what you're buying, or if you're buying some other pendant set, that will be about 20 grams, 25-30 grams.
If I want to sell your only your stock, maybe you can sell other store also, not department also can do it.
If the other store is selling the product, they will also buy it.
And regarding this government will be your hallmark in this particular picture of it already passed. The hallmark is I say whatever is done.
That's a the hallmarking issue is a different story at this point in time. Okay, so I can talk to you about all that at a later date, no problem.
जब हम सोना खरीदते हैं तो उसमें हमें पता होता है कि कितने 22 कैरेट है, 24 कैरेट है, 20 है। इसमें कैसे ग्रेडिंग क्या होगी इसकी?
तो जैसे मैंने कहा था कि इसमें 95.5% लुमिनस उनो मेटल होगा। तो ये लुमिनस उनो मेटल जो है उसका 95 जो आप खरीदोगे ये बार कॉइन में तो उसमें 95.5% होगा।
इसमें स्टडड ज्वेलरी के लिए फिट होगा या फिर
ये स्टडड ज्वेलरी में भी काम आएगा। तो अगर कुछ बहुत डेलिकेट डिजाइन होंगी जिसको लोअर कैरेटिस में बनाना पड़ेगा तो वो 95.5% से कम में होगा, तो उस हिसाब से उसका दाम कम बैठेगा। जैसे आप सोना खरीदते हो, 18 कैरेट का खरीदते हो उसका दाम अलग है, 22 कैरेट का लेते हो उसका दाम अलग है, तो इसी तरह से उसका भी दाम है। गोल्ड का फॉर्मूला नहीं पता, तो उसका माइनिंग करने का पता है। Like I mentioned, this is not being revealed to us by the original manufacturer of this composition. Number two is the fact that a similar concept is being sold in the US for the last, say, 5-6 years, is being sold by the leading jewelers, retail stores called K's and many other jewelry retail chains in the US, quite successfully. So it has a background process, a level of significant interest and desire for it.
इतने वर्षों में पैलेडियम और प्लैटिनम जैसी धातुएं भी भारत में सोने और चांदी को रिप्लेस नहीं कर पाएंगे। ये पांचवी धातु लाकर के आप कैसे मार्केट पकड़ लेंगे?
जैसे मैं कहा था, इसका हमारा कोशिश बिल्कुल नहीं है कि रिप्लेसमेंट करें। सोने का तो कभी कोई रिप्लेस कर ही नहीं पाएगा। प्लैटिनम भी आपको पता है कि पिछले 10 साल से कोशिश कर रहा है काफी उसकी सेल्स बढ़ाने के लिए, और उन्हें बढ़ाया भी है। 5-6 साल पहले उनका 1 टन 2 टन बिकता था, आज 5-6 टन बिकता है, 7 टन बिकता है। तो दैट इज अ ह्यूज इंप्रूवमेंट। और अगर आप देखो, मैंने आपको पहले ग्राफ दिखाया था कि इसकी प्रोडक्शन कितनी है, 100 टन से भी कम प्रोडक्शन है ग्लोबल। और जो प्लैटिनम और पैलेडियम की बात कर रहे हैं, तो वी आर टॉकिंग फॉर नॉट सो सिग्निफिकेंट मार्केट शेयर व्हिच इज डूएबल।
We'll be taking one last question, please.
लीडिंग ज्वेलर्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड जो है, उनके पास सोल राइट्स है इसके लिए, बोथ साउथ ईस्ट एशिया में और यूएस।
Well, thank you so much.
One last question here, please. Yo, Mr. Kapoor, hello. Can I ask a question? सर मुझे ये पूछना है कि तो मेटल आपने जो प्राइसिंग है 125 रुपीज पर ग्राम, इसका मेकिंग क्या होगा, मेकिंग चार्ज? बिकॉज मेटल सस्ते में है, तो अगर इसका मेकिंग, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ ज्वेलर्स दे हैव दिस डेफिनेशन ऑफ अगर गोल्ड सस्ता, गोल्ड पे मेकिंग दे चार्ज सम 455, तो इसका क्या मेकिंग चार्ज है?
तो इसके जो मेकिंग चार्ज होगा, उसकी जो कारीगरी है उसके हिसाब से मेकिंग चार्ज होगा। अगर आप चेन खरीद रहे हो तो उसमें कारीगरी तो कुछ खास है नहीं, तो उसमें मेकिंग चार्जेस काफ़ी कम रहते हैं। अगर आप कलकत्ता फिलीपी वर्क खरीद रहे हैं तो उसमें मेकिंग चार्जेस ज़्यादा होगा। तो स्टडिंग ज्वेलरी में आप डायमंड के साथ स्टडिंग ज्वेलरी में खरीद रहे हैं, तो जैसे स्टडिंग ज्वेलरी की जो मेकिंग चार्जेस होती है उसके मुकाबले में रहेगी। सो इट बी सिमिलर टू अदर ज्वेलरी। सिर्फ फर्क ये है कि अगर आप जो दाम दे रहे हो सोने के कंटेंट का, उसकी जगह या प्लैटिनम के कंटेंट का, उसकी जगह इसके कंटेंट का दाम काफ़ी कम रहेगा, तो इसके ओवरऑल प्राइस में काफी अफोर्डेबल है।
Well, okay, with that we come to an end to the Q&A, and I'm sure the rest of the questions could be answered at another special day. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a pleasure having you, and I think one more huge round of applause for Luminous Uno.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and I will also request the ladies to please come down.